Tamam da kanki o söylediğin 99 senesi yani arasında şimdi başka kuşak da var. Neyse izleyip görelim.
Which teams do you know from Turkey?
Galatasaray,
Galatasaray,
Fenerbahçe.
Fenerbahçe.
Ben tutamadım. Beni banlayın. Beni banlayın ama.
Probably.
Yok. İnşallah Beşiktaş'ı da bilir. Trabzon'da.
Yeah, that's it.
Can you think one more?
I can't really pronounce.
Beşiktaş.
Bak ne güzel abi. Fenerbahçe, Beşiktaş, Galatasaray hepsini bildi.
So, thank you. And which one is the biggest team out of these three teams?
Galatasaray probably.
Galatasaray, why?
More players that I know.
More players, like which player?
Drogba and Schneider.
Which teams do you know from Turkey?
Oh gosh, Fenerbahce, Galatasaray. Who's that one we lost to a few seasons ago? Besiktas.
Beşiktaş.
Yeah.
Biliyorlar abi genelde.
Oh gosh, who's that one? The one beginning with Ansapor. Anasapor.
Antalyaspor.
That's the one. That's exactly what I was saying.
Which one is the biggest team?
Now, being a Spurs fan and for many years being told that Chelsea and Arsenal are big enough, I'm not going to answer that question because it will piss off Fenerbahce fans or Galatasaray fans. So I'm going to stay diplomatically quiet. But to be honest, most fans.
Which one is your favorite?
I don't have it. I say Besiktas because we played them a few times.
5 saattir uyutamadık. Sayende uyudu seviliyorsun reis. Ne demek? Öp benim için bir kere.
Okay.
And their fans have seemed decent and been very welcoming to us.
Okay then. My last question is, do you know any Turkish football players?
Do I know any Turkish footballers?
And there's one playing here in Premier League.
There's Thingy Bob Tosun from Everton.
Cenk Tosun, Everton.
Yeah.
Which teams do you know from Turkey?
Galatasaray, Fenerbahce. That's all I got. That's all I got.
Come on, think. Galatasaray, Fenerbahçe.
That's all I got. That's all I got, mate.
Okay. Do you know which players play?
Van Persie did. He played for Galatasaray.
Yep.
Yeah. Drogba played for Galatasaray.
Yes. Going good.
De Jong.
De Jong. Yes.
Yeah.
Oha Nigel de Jong.
Which one is the biggest team in Turkey? What do you think?
I'd argue Galatasaray.
Galatasaray. Why?
Most known, I'd say.
Most known.
Most known in the UK, at least.
Most known in the UK.
Yeah.
Which teams do you know from Turkey?
Galatasaray.
Galatasaray.
Fenerbahçe.
Fenerbahçe.
Beşiktaş.
Beşiktaş. Yep. Any other one?
Dayı Türk olabilir ha.
Kaiser Chiefs.
Kaiser Chiefs diyor oğlum. Kaiser Chiefs. Afrika'da lan.
City.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
City. Okay. Perfect. That's good. How do you know this?
I play a lot of FIFA.
FIFA. Okay then. So, which one do you think is the best team in Turkey? Galatasaray.
Galatasaray diyor abi
Why?
herkes.
Because they...
Normal kanka adamlar
Abi
Arsenal'in
ben
kupa aldı.
yani zaten baktığın zaman Türkiye'de en çok şampiyon olan takım da Galatasaray. Avrupa'da kupası olan takım da Galatasaray. Yani öyle demeleri gayet normal.
They had Didier Drogba.
They had Didier Drogba. Yes.
And I think they have one
Bence
person
iki
called
senesi
Barak Yilmaz.
Burak Yılmaz. Yes. Perfect.
My friend's Turkish. He supports Fenerbahce, so I'm going to go with that.
Oh, okay then. Because of your friend, you say Fenerbahçe. And
I think Fenerbahçe. I remember that.
I'm Revivo. I'm Revivo.
Chaim Revivo played for
İsrailli bunlar herhalde.
Bu dayı kesinlikle Türk.
İsrailli oğlum. Revivo dediği zaman.
Fenerbahçe.
yeah.
And I'm from Israel, so
Amcık.
Aha.
Biz biliyoruz bu işi.
I did follow Revivo when he played in Fenerbahçe and Galatasaray.
Do you know any Turkish teams?
Galatasaray,
Galatasaray.
Besiktas.
Beşiktaş.
There's like Karl Strapor. I don't know if that's Turkish or not.
Konyaspor.
Yeah.
Oğlum Konya'yı bile biliyorum. Fener'den
Konya'yı ben biliyorum.
Yeah, that's
Okay, perfect. Yes. Come on, go. You say Galatasaray, Fenerbahçe.
Fenerbahçe. Yeah.
Aha nihayet be.
Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah.
one person sitting in there, isn't he?
Yes,
Yeah.
one person.
Aga Mumur'u TT yaptığımız günü hala unutamıyorum. Güzel gündü.
Charisma, he played.
Quaresma plays for Besiktas. Any other players do you know?
Who's the keeper? It's
Muslera.
the Uruguayan fella, Muslera.
Muslera, Fernando Muslera.
Yeah, see.
How do you know this, first of all? FIFA. Okay.
It's just general knowledge.
General knowledge, okay.
Basic stuff.
Basic stuff.
Ne güzel abi ya. Hepsi bir
Akşama kadar
alıyor.
FIFA oynamıyorsa.
Which team is the biggest team, in your opinion?
In Turkey, Galatasaray.
Galatasaray. Why?
They're always in the Champions League. Every time they're always in the Champions League. I see them playing against Real Madrid, all that kind of stuff there.
Which teams do you know from Turkey?
Besiktas.
Besiktas.
Galatasaray.
Galatasaray.
Fenerbahçe.
Any other teams?
No.
How do you know these teams?
Through the Champions League, through the Europa League.
And you?
Yeah, the same.
FIFA?
Yeah, and FIFA.
And FIFA. Do you know any players that play in Super League, Turkish League?
Only the players that have gone from the UK over there.
Abi adamlar ne kadar şanslı ya. Futbolla ilgilenen arkadaşlar. Yani dünyanın en iyi ligine sahipler. Yani
Aynen.
düşünsene,
İstanbul'da kimse de İngiltere'deki takımları sormaz.
Premier Lig. Abi her takım çok iyi. Her takım çok iyi.
Go on, Fred, help us out.
They did have Galatasaray, did have Schneider, they did have Drogba, they did have Bruma.
Yes.
Eskiden
4 galiba.
İngiltere'den mi?
Evet.
İngiltere'den 4. Türkiye'den eskiden ilk yani şimdi bundan sonra şey olacak. Bizim şampiyonumuz bile ön eleme oynayacak. Olması gereken de oydu zaten amına koyayım da.
Perfect.
Tom, mate, come on, help us. What Turkish players do you know that play in the Turkish league right now? You must.
Aziz, a centre half.
Oh, okay.
Serdar Aziz'i nereden biliyorsun? Ne alaka lan?
Serdar.
That's literally the only one I know. Yeah,
How do you know?
FIFA.
Perfect. And my last question is, which team is the biggest team in Turkey, in your opinion?
Galatasaray.
Galatasaray.
Why?
Well, they're the ones everyone's heard of, and they qualify for the Champions League every year.
They're the ones that won the most trophies.
Which teams do you know from Turkey?
Galatasaray, Fenerbahçe, Besiktas, Konyaspor, Antalyaspor. Is that one?
Onlardan biriyle falan da
I think
eşleşti.
that might be it, mate.
O Konya şeye gitti ya. Avrupa'da
UEFA'ya gitmedi mi?
Gitti oynadı.
You was doing so good.
Oh, I thought five's not too bad.
Antalya'da bayağı biliniyor.
To be fair,
Abi Eto Meta geldi.
I've already said
ya.
Fenerbahçe, haven't I? No, I think that's it, mate. I think that's a lot. Just
How do you know them?
FIFA.
FIFA, okay.
I've got a Turkish Cypriot Spurs friend as well. He supports Fenerbahçe, so he doesn't like Galatasaray. Yeah.
And my other question is, which players do you know from Turkish league?
Like just Turkish players, or can there be any player? Vincent Janssen,
Okay, perfect.
Hakan Suka. Like,
Baba dur bizi götürteceksin şimdi ya.
Aşık that's old, yes. You can say all past. Which team do you think is the best team in
Atlatacak
Turkey?
bizi amına.
Fenerbahçe.
And why?
Because my mate supports them, and if he sees this, he won't be my mate anymore. So.
That's a good one. Hello, how are you today?
Hey, Emre, I'm doing good, man. Thank you very much for having me on your channel. Cheeky Sport Joe here at Wembley, having a good old time with my friend, man. How's it
Abi ben bu adamları çok seviyorum, hayat enerjisini falan ya. Çok iyi değiller mi?
going, man?
Yeah, make sure to subscribe his channel also. Link in the description. Right here.
Press the button.
Press the button. Which teams do you know from Turkey?
Like I said, Galatasaray, my friend.
Galatasaray.
And Fenerbahçe, of course.
And
Do you know what I mean? Because, you know what I mean? Like, you know, our good friend, Robin Van Persie, he went over there as well before after he did something at Man United. I can't remember. I don't know. I can't remember. I don't know. But yeah.
Which one is the better team? The biggest team in Turkey?
I think it's Galatasaray, isn't it?
And why?
Well, first of all, it's a big city in general, and I think they just got more money. Really, they're better because they got more money.
Sorry, they're broke.
They're broke now.
Yes, they're broke.
Did they have money before?
They used to have Drogba, Schneider, and they was playing in Champions League, like quarterfinal.
Yeah, but, man, this is not good. We need for the top teams to come back, to rise to the top. Listen, man, Cheeky Sport Joe, I just want to say, make sure you check out our channel as well. We do a lot of things with your...
Tamam amına koyayım, paylaşmış işte çocuk. Amma caz yaptın ya.
favorite footballers
Enes Batur'un kanalına konuk olan oyuncular gibi amına koyayım.
up and down the country. Even though I'm an Arsenal fan, my other friends
Onu bana
support.
çekecek
Yes, mate.
zannettim.
That's
Evet,
right.
ben de
Mate,
Burak,
mate, we're international fans. We could be anywhere, mate. We're not like Tottenham. Yeah, we got fans all over the world. Sometimes you got to tell them that it doesn't matter. I just want to say you're doing a good job, man.
Thank you very much.
Subs are rising. You know.
Ya tamam amına koyayım, başka yok mu ya?
Ederim. Bu videoyu beğenmeyi,
Ama şimdi abi ben bak, benim Fenerbahçeliliğim tartışılmaz. Lakin böyle olması çok normal. Yani Galatasaray Avrupa'da kupa alan tek takımımız. Yani ki o zaman da Galatasaray'ın UEFA'yı aldığı zaman şimdiki Avrupa Ligi ile bir tutmayın he. O zaman daha taşşaklıydı yani. Galatasaray Arsenal'i yenip aldı o kupayı. Ki o Arsenal de Arsenal'li yani. Enriler, Menriler, Hötitler hepsi oynuyordu amına koyayım.